Okay, Lompoc Grocery Outlet. This is our 18th new store this year. You see Kaiser wine cases, Murray's lights, 8 foot of meat, 36 foot of deli, 7 doors of Kaiser panel system with Anthony doors. The meat case here, and 24 feet of produce, 3 shelves. Spectacular built-in night covers. Misting system. Everything's ready to go. Looking good. CMS dry produce. And frozen food section here. 36 foot of coffin. I think we have 21 doors here. So it's looking pretty good. I'm done.
Where's that?
They were standing at the end of that aisle over there.